Welcome to my apartment. We have a packed day in front of us, but come on in first. Why don't you? Welcome to the bathroom. Today's such an exciting day because it's my first day at the apartment, or first day showing you guys a day in my life in the apartment, and we have a packed schedule. So if you are unaware, I bought this apartment last year and I renovated it completely from scratch. We gutted the whole thing, hired contractors, my dad and I did a bunch of DIYs to the place, and now it is whoa. The bun is budding and it was ready to move into, so I did a bunch of moving videos, and now we're finally starting the melting into the home process. And today is the first day of living in my apartment, which is so exciting. So here's what we have on the schedule today. I have to edit and upload a video, which is my moving in part 2 video. And then I also have to make the thumbnail for that, which usually takes me so freaking long. And then I have to do my makeup because I have to do a little bit of filming for a sponsored thing. Whoa, pimple patches are crazy. And then I will film said sponsored content. And then if I have time, I have to go to Home Depot to make a couple returns and then also return an Amazon thing. And then I have to go to my friend's place because he's having like a closet sale and I kind of want to check out what he's selling and buy some clothes. And then I want to go to the grocery store / liquor store because I'm hosting my first little get-together. I'm calling it, like, I'm telling all my friends it's like a soft launch housewarming because it's really only like 4 people. Most of my friends are actually like away traveling right now, so they're not here. I'm gonna have my official housewarming in the summer when like everyone is in town, but I wanted to just like get the hang of hosting and like do cute dinner party things, even though it's not dinner. It's like at 8:30. It's currently 12. I had a late start to the morning, but what else is new? You know what I mean? So I want to make a charcuterie board. I want to get some wine. I want to get like chips and guac, like snacky things. It's not going to be a full-on dinner, but I think that when I do my housewarming, it'll be an actual dinner. So I'm so excited for that because I'll have all of my kitchen supplies, pots and pans, and I'll hopefully know how to cook some cute and delicious recipes by then. But for now, it's just gonna be like a chill hang with some cute hors d'oeuvres. So that's the itinerary for the day. It's quite packed, I'm not gonna lie. For the 8 hours that I have to do a lot, and I'm always so ambitious with my to-do list, and I always get disappointed at the end because I don't finish it. I do this thing where I would rather be like really optimistic when I'm making my to-do list, even though like in the back of my head I know that I'm not gonna complete it. I'm basically just delaying the feeling of disappointment until later on in the day rather than being disappointed when I actually make my to-do list, if that makes sense. But we all know what's coming, so I have to turbo mode today, and notoriously I am very slow and detailed at doing things, but I'm gonna try my best. I love this cabinet because like even when I have everything open, there's still a mirror behind this, so I don't need to like close it back. I can just have everything here and I just put it back. Oh, it's amazing. I love it. The only thing that I still don't love is the fact that the side mirror is still cracked. That's something that I still have to tackle in a future video. I have some ideas. Nothing is like perfect at the moment. As you guys have seen throughout all the renovation videos, run into a lot of fiascos and like obstacles, and I used to hate it so much because I'm like, oh, it's so stressful, which it is, but I feel like I've come to appreciate the challenges in life because it kind of gives life some excitement, and also the lows really make the highs feel better. Is that kind of toxic of me? Unsure. To start with some editing, so I'll probably be in a little hole for like 2 hours. Every time my phone dings, yo, I hate this mental space that I get in when basically you're waiting for a boy to reply to you and you think that every text is from them. Ooh, but I'm weaning off of this boy. I don't get as like obsessive and crazy as I used to, so that's good. But I'm kind of just accepting that you have to go through a little period of mental turmoil where you're like kind of in mental anguish, but as long as you are aware that this just happens and it passes. I think I'm in like the passing period now where I'm like, you know what, it's not meant to be. It's also a little toxic. It's a little bit messy over there. I'm gonna be cleaning that later, obviously before everyone comes. I literally still have my TV in the box over there because I haven't had time to set it up, but priorities. I just finally finished. It is currently 2:41 p.m. and I've uploaded and I made the thumbnail, which looks like this. The video is definitely up by now, so go watch it. If I gave myself more time, I would definitely be tweaking around with this for like a couple more hours, but I think this one is like simple enough and like to the point. So I think I'm just gonna leave it because I need to move on to other things. I was gonna go get food because I live downtown now and like everything is within walking distance and it's super convenient, but I am like running so low on time, so I ordered food, which is not great of me, but listen, I have to get on it. So I ordered poke and it should be arriving like right now because I just entered the buzzer, and then it's almost 3 and I have to get to my friend's place by 4. So, okay, wait, let me just put this on public first. I'm so stressed. Food has arrived. Let's eat. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten all day yet and it's almost 3 p.m. Amazing. The video is now public. Here's my food. Also, I'm boiling water in the kitchen, so that's why there's loud sounds. Food haul time. I got a little spam musubi. So good. Oh, it's so warm. I'm like really cold right now because I opened the windows to like have some circulation because I haven't been outside in a little while. So I wanted some fresh air, but spam musubi. And then I got poke. I literally ate the exact same thing last night, but it was so good, so I ordered the exact same bowl. While I eat, I'm actually gonna watch the F1 race highlights. I have been waiting to watch it all day, but I wanted to get to... Oh! No! No, 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 no. Oh no. No, 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 no. This is the one danger of having white fabric dining tables, but that was my first mishap with these. Luckily, Red Bull is like pretty clear. I think I should be good. Oh my god. Speaking of Red Bull, I was saying how I want to watch the F1 highlights because I haven't been able to because I wanted to get stuff done first, but now that I'm eating, I'm gonna put on the highlights. Oh my, I'm still reeling from that. Oh my god. That's so tragic. No, I'm fine, I'm fine. It looks fine, I think. I'm gonna watch this and calm down.
Where they started. I think the debris might have come from Piastri potentially in the McLaren. Yes, it has. Look, he's missing a bit of front wing there. So Piastri is in the wars from a good starting place. Alonso has made a great start, and here comes Lance Stroll. Stroll around the outside. Can he pull off an amazing...
Oh my god.
What an opening. Driving standards, the black and white flag has been shown to him for weaving on the straight, and weave he might, but he can't keep Charles Leclerc behind. It will be virtual. Full safety car deployed, and if you now make your stop under these conditions,
okay, I just finished the highlights and I also finished eating, so now it is time to do my makeup. I need to do it in like 10 minutes, which is like so difficult for me because I'm so slow at doing makeup. I'm gonna set a timer. Hey Siri, set timer for 10 minutes. Okay, let's go. Finished with my makeup and this is my outfit, and I think today I'm gonna wear my Ferrari jacket. It's surprisingly really warm, like the jacket. Cool. All right, let's go. little ceramic bowl secured. It's so cute. I'll do a little haul for you guys later, but I will insert the Instagram handle of the girl who made this. She makes such cute ceramic things. I didn't buy any clothes because I feel like I don't really need to buy more clothes at this current moment in life where my closet is literally exploding. But I'm gonna have to rush to the grocery store to get some supplies, some wine. People are coming at like way different times. So yeah. Hello guys, I'm back. I need to move so fast right now because it's 6:30 and people are actually coming early. They're coming at 7. So I'm gonna do the fastest haul for you guys. Ready? First of all, at the liquor store, I got these 2 wines. I don't really know what I'm looking at, but I just picked because it's cute. This says about fucking time, and this is at my condo because it's about fucking time that I'm living in it. So I thought that was appropriate. And then I got this sparkling peach flavored wine. It's basically juice. It's like 5.5%. Anyway, that's cute. I got lemonade for non-alcohol vibes. For charcuterie board, I got these salamis, prosciutto, pepperoni, more pepperoni, and then I got some raspberries for the board, some brie cheese. I don't really eat cheese, but I thought it would be cute for the board. And then Greek yogurt for my own vibes, some Gouda cheese. I was literally standing at Safeway looking up what are the best cheeses to put on a charcuterie board, and I just got the ones that they recommended. Almond butter. This is, I don't know what kind of cheese this is, but it's like spreadable and it has like cranberry vibes in it, and I thought it sounded good, so I got it. We'll do a review later. I got some fig spread, like rice crackers for the board, and some pretzels for the board, and then some honey. Okay, that's the vibe. Now I have to clean and put the charcuterie board together, and that's all in like 20 minutes. Okay, is there any parking? No. What about like the opposite building? Like in the same... Yeah, you can park there. Oh, really? Yeah. Welcome. Oh my gosh. Slay! Thank you so much. Slay! Wow. What do you think of the like dirty stuff on the ground?
It's not dirty. It's disgusting. You're living in a pigsty.
There's a lot of dust.
I love it.
Just ignore.
Whoa,
This space really came together.
Thank you.
The table looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
The couch is so comfy.
Look at this wall.
Uh-huh.
It's all the surf fine.
Oh yeah. How's white?
There's aloha.
Aloha. Welcome to my crib.
Whoa, it's double layered of like the same fabric type.
Too different.
We
Yeah.
got so many weird.
So Canada.
It's called fashion.
I'm putting my glasses on. You know your cheeses?
Well, you know
It's
Jesus.
because they always come in this small round package. Yeah. But in France, they have a vegan version of this too.
My friend gave me a vegan chocolate cookie. That was the best vegan
I saw it.
chocolate cookie
I saw it.
ever.
I asked for a bite, but I was like, that's weird.
No, it was so good. Oh wow. Oh whoa, whoa, whoa.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat
The
it.
floor's really dirty.
It's so dirty.
Let's break the fourth wall.
Hi.
Bro, do you do it? This for a job.
I know you're watching.
I usually don't make.
promposal?
Yeah, I usually don't make appearances at Jen's videos. When we hang out, it's not really vloggable moments.
What's a vloggable moment? That's me.
It's
Yeah,
always
we got closer at the end of high school rather than
literally.
give him like 1 square feet of
Like-
I get your laugh.
Stand in this corner.
Wow.
Wait, everyone come in.
Guys, oh my god. It's obviously the next morning and I just woke up on the couch because I fell asleep after my friends came over. I was planning on just taking a little nap, but I knocked out the entire night. I kept setting like 30-minute alarms. So I basically have only been sleeping in 30-minute segments. But I was trying to wake up because I forgot I had to film my sponsored video. So I have to do that like so quickly right now. Wow, it's so on brand for me for this to happen. Let's get to it. I have brushed my teeth. I have done my morning routine. I feel so much fresher, but I realized I ran out of ink for my printer, which I need for the video. So let's go to Staples. This has turned into not really the type of video that I was expecting. I thought I was making like a cute aesthetic, like stay in the condo, like hosting friends. But in true Jennifer fashion, it's chaos mode. So let's go. Hello. Okay. Hello all, it is a couple hours later. I have finished my video, sent it over. I basically made the little artwork in the frame in the middle there, the little bowl of oranges. Check it out on my Instagram at Generation DIY, go follow me. Whoa, that was not trying to throw up, I'm trying to burp. I feel like I make a lot of weird noises while burping. Anyway, this is besides the point. It is currently 4:12 p.m. now. I've gone through the entire day without filming because I was so busy, but I'm really hungry. So I think I want to go to happy hour, and this is something that I have been frequenting often while living here. I've gone a couple times alone. It's just something that I'm trying to do more to like force myself to be in more uncomfortable situations so that nothing phases me anymore. I feel like I'm progressively improving upon my social anxiety and just like awkwardness, and like I'm able to be more comfortable just like in weird situations because I'm just comfortable with myself. You know what I mean? So yeah, I have been enjoying that. It does get kind of expensive, so I don't like eating out that much, but it's happy hour and so prices are reduced. So that's my excuse. Let's go. Also, I'm gonna be going to this restaurant where I've gone a couple times and me and the bartender know each other now and I think he's kind of cute, but at one point I was like, should I give him a number? No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry and excited to eat.